Assalamualaikum. My name is Salman and the topic of my discussion is about link budget. Now, as my class fellows and of this group fellows and they tell you about link budget and its analysis. Now, I would tell you about transmit power of link budget. The transmit power of RF connector is specified in dBm. As we did that, mostly radio system whose transmitted power is measured in milliwatt. Now, dBm, how we can convert milliwatt into dB. This is a basic formula in which we convert transmit power milliwatt into dB. Now next is cable loss. The parameter which includes the losses between the RF connector to antenna, which include the signal attenuation as it propagates through the cable. Mostly the cable loss allows you to compute these losses for specific cables. If we use the up and down method to select the cable type of which type of cable is to be used. Usually 100 feet at the frequency of operation is used. The calculator which additional loss of 0.25 dB for each connector in the cable. Next is receiver sensitivity. A maximum signal strength at input of radio at which point the bit error rate in the link is at specified value. Most manufacturers use a bit error rate of 1 bit error in 1 million bits, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. However, make sure you check the specifications which comparing the sensitivity in radios from different manufacturers. As we can say that there's Pulse AR radio model. This is a model which operates at 4 different RF speeds. Its lower speeds give a battery sensitivity, and now in next slide a table shows we describe the sensitivity values of each model. Now we can discuss the table which shows the sensitivity of maximum speed and sensitivity. Now this is a model which is given in which we can discuss the maximum speed and sensitivity of can be discussed. Now my next group member Saim Raza will discuss and conclude this topic. Thank you.